All right, guys. Welcome to the lovely and talented 2025 Twin Cities Auto Show. This comes out September 11th. 24 years ago today, we were attacked by foreign power, so shout out to that out there. So here we are. I'm gonna, this is a really cool place here. They're a unique 68 Camaro. Very, very nice. They do a lot of cool stuff. So it's a Thursday. Tomorrow's Good Friday. 57 Chevy. 49 grand, 50 grand, price reduced. Nice vehicle. I love it. $42 grand for this bad boy, 43, whatever. Very nice. They do really good work. I believe they're down in Mankato. $1929, 21 grand. Oh, cool. I'd like to give him a Javelin someday and do 1953. Very nice. This is going for 49. Banana yellow, baby. But that's who they are. Yep, Mankato. As you can see, check them out, man. Nice Mustang. I mean, I don't mind it, but I'd rather buy that cool older car. But
you gonna get this for Trevor? He can't hear you, baby. I got the headphones.
That's a nice vehicle. 70 grand. Nice CUDA. Next neighbor has one just like it, but it's blue.
You said you have one?
My next neighbor does, just like it. Blue. Won many awards. Bel Air. Rare run. That's rare. I'd buy this one. I love it. I'd love to have an Impala collection, or if I was wealthy enough, I'd love to have a station wagon collection. Museum would be so cool. Someone told me there was a convertible museum down in Iowa, so I don't know. But anyways, like I said, September 11th is here. So we got these are kind of cool. These were here last time they were here. These are the Batman ones. That bad boy. Goodness. That'd be so cool to have one of those. I love that thing. At Joker's expense. This one's kind of cool. Nice. I think there's some Cars Against Crime Foundation. I think there's some cars in here, I think. Yeah, here we are. Scooby-Doo wagon. Last time I had it in there, so that's kind of cool in here. This is going to give you an idea of what they have here.
I used to think you were crazy, but now I can see you're not.
Kind of cool. Kids' rides. We like that behavior. Hello. Oh, that bad boy. Very nice. Hot Wheels. The guy I worked with had a Chevy, something like this. He got stolen. I think I left the keys in it. Kid took it for a joyride. Cars Against Crime. You're okay. The Mystery Machine. That was a good show. I love it. Ah, the Starsky and Hutch car. I always like the Trinos. Yeah. Well, enjoy, take pictures, but please do not touch. Well, it's a beautiful car. Love it. It's a nice one. Very nice.
Taurus. We've got a few bullet holes in it, right?
The Joker car. Nice. Mayberry. Very nice. It's a great show. Bella love Barney. Nice. Until it's been around a while, they haven't done much to it. Magnum PI. Gotham City Patrol. Very nice. That's a nice vehicle right there. Look at that bad boy. Woo-hoo-hoo, yeah. Who this is, let's see. Oh, it's the Steve McQueen. Nice. Nice vehicle. He's a good actor. I think he died pretty young. I'm glad they had this in a separate spot. It's a nice one too as well. Oh, he's loved in Germany. It's a cool view. I love that one. And you give a show. It was always one of the 10 most popped. Yep. Very nice. Owners Bev and Mark Ryan. Good for them. 1963 Ford Galaxy 500. Nice V8 engine, auto transmission, power steering. Nice. RoboCop. Love the movie. They butchered it after the second one. Very good movie. Yep. Classic movie, classic series. Too bad they don't have Blues Brothers. A Blues Brothers one in here. It'd be kind of cool. But the other things are crime fighting, so. But, yeah. A few bullet holes in it. Nice. Good show. What you talking about, Willis? Classic. The A-Team, man. I had a 70 Ford I bought for real cheap. My father welded the front end. I love that thing. That finally blew an engine on, and it had 2 power hoses in the back, and I had a bed in the back. I drove that thing for 2 years. I love that thing. It was a great truck. I had it in the 80s. It was fun. Went to trucking with my brother. It's a great van. Very nice. Love it. Someone's taking care of that CB in there. Nice. Obviously got the men and women in blue. The Hasselhoff. Over here. Nice. Nice. This is classic. He wouldn't show this movie somewhere because she's Jewish, I guess, the lady that is. It's like, are you kidding me? But no, this is glad it's separated from everything else. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed it. I like it. Well, anyways, remember this day 24 years ago, guys. 9/11. 24 years ago. So anyways, guys, see you next one.